Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I wear a hat and sunglasses indoors, which really freaks some people out. I don't know why. But this is actually the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. Today I got one from Japan. This is Nissin Cup Noodle. Ninniku Tonkotsu. From Japan. You can get this one in a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, I think this is from the March or April box that they did. I'm pretty sure Ninniku translates to garlic, because all the ones that say Ninniku on them lately are garlic, so that's a thing. So let's see. I've got this. This is from a different one, but it works great when I gotta cut open a package. There's that. Fits in snugly. Drop that in. Here's the loose stuff. Very strong garlic scent. That's rad. I do like garlic. And then we've got a little sachet that was affixed to the lid, so that goes in too. Drop in our 300 mils of water. You might be like, how do you know? Isn't the fill line different on that one? I'm sure it is, but what's handy is on Japanese varieties. There we go. Drop that on there. Boop, 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 boop. On Japanese varieties, they almost always tell you how many mils of water. I'll show you. This is like really handy to know if you're going to be exploring the world of Japanese instant noodles, especially the cups and the bowls. So let's see, what are we looking for? Right. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to get it just right dead set in the middle for you. Okay, see that 3 down in the lower center-ish? So that's how many minutes. And then there's a 300 ml above it. That's how much liquid. So there you go. It's pretty easy to figure out, but I guess some people might not understand such things, but that's just how it goes. For me, it's kind of like I'm so used to doing instant noodle reviewing from products from all over the world, and it's like, how could you not know that? But I'm kind of jaded in that in that particular thing. I just like, of course, doesn't everybody know that? I don't know how they couldn't, but I've been knee deep in the instant noodle world since I started. This is actually my 20th year of reviewing, and I started in 2002. I was living in a double wide with some pretty horrible people, but anyway, one guy had some instant noodles. I believe it was Top Ramen Creamy Chicken, and I took one of his packs, and I was exploring the possibility of, I wanted to be a web designer, and so I found some stuff, and I put together, I was like kind of experimenting with web design, and I thought maybe I'll just make a list of instant noodles that I like. That'd be kind of neat. And I made a menu bar up on the top, made it so you could go from A to M and N through Z, and I just made these horrible tables in Netscape Composer. That's what I used. And I believe the first one was, Top Ramen Creamy Chicken. And what I would do is I would just scan the label. I didn't have Photoshop at that point. I'd just do like a crummy scan of the package, and then put like how many stars out of 5, and then like a single sentence review. I don't know if I put the country or not, but yeah, that's like way early days. And I did like between 2002 and 2004, I did maybe like 30 to 40 reviews. And then I started reviewing hot sauces because I went on a low carb diet, and that went really well until it didn't. And then what? And then I met the girl of my dreams, and we got together, and we moved to Edmonds, Washington, and there we moved to a place next door to an a 99 Ranch Market, which is a large Asian grocery. And the thing was, the big problem for me, you know, there was like really no easy way for me to get instant noodles on a regular basis. So I started walking there. I mean, it was literally like 5 minutes away, and it was just like, if that hadn't happened, I wouldn't be doing this today, I don't think. I don't know. I think maybe it was just my destiny for some reason to like totally do the ramen thing, but yeah. And then here I am. This is going to be review 4,231, I think. This one had a warning in the little description saying, you know, you shouldn't eat this before a special date or a business meeting. It's like, if I don't smell like garlic or curry or some kind of crazy spice when I go into some kind of special meeting, I think they'd be like, wow, why doesn't this guy smell funny? Here's the noodle. Garlicky. Tonkotsu. Here is broth. Wow, that's very garlicky, very greasy. I like that. What do we got here? We have some form of little nugget. I think that's egg. It's kind of hard to tell. I'm gonna go with egg. But it's definitely not pork. Pork may occur. Listen. Hey, come on now. You guys be nice out there. I'll come out there biting. Not really. But you know. Oh boy, they've been getting in trouble. So Mimi took a Sharpie and drew all over a bunch of miles of... Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I used these. Almost threw that in the trash. Okay. Yeah, so... a bad thing. Hey! Simmer down out there. I'm working on stuff. I'll be out there. There's a small slice of chop suey. One moment. Yeah, I ask you guys to be quiet, please, okay? Will you please be quiet? Miles, stop pushing Mimi, okay? Or else. So shush. Anyways, catastrophe averted. Let's see if I got a good charge on this sucker. Okay, there we go, there we go. What? There we go. That's what we were looking for. It's tricky because these cup noodles, they don't have a huge amount of broth in them to begin with. And now you can't even really see it, which is kind of a bummer, but I guess the quicker I get through this, the more broth you'll see, because they'll suck up the broth. Ooh. Whoa there, sucker. Let's throw our egg on in. This egg doesn't seem like it cooperated all that well. but it seems to be goopy enough. Happy, happy times. Alright. There we are. Yeah, they're batting 1,000 at these garlic varieties currently, I would say. I'm pretty impressed. I like strong garlic flavor, and it's definitely coming through in this one and the last one I did. The next one's going to be a yakisoba. We'll see how that pans out. There's that. We need some greenery right about here, I think. Yeah, there's where my fork went. Ha ha. Some people like to say, dude, you use an unhealthy amount of spring onion, huh? Really? I have to disagree. Can't have enough of that. Let's try that. I don't know, underneath? Put it right there. And yeah, I'm kind of one-trick ponying it today, I'll be honest. And there we go. Rotato, do your stuff. With this garlicky wonderment. There you go. Cool, thank you for watching, as always. If you liked it, please subscribe, I guess. And like, I guess, you know. Whatever you want to do it for you. And the next one will be another Zen Pop one. This is from Nissin Foods. This is Suruhachi Fugetsu Yakisoba, which is like a special regional variety. So yeah, that'll be coming up tomorrow on the show. All right, hope everybody's having a good time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.